Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have two wigs that we are going to review that was sent over to us from Sam's Beauty. So go ahead on, sit back, relax, and let's get into this review. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have another wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. Thanks again, and shout out to Sam's Beauty for sponsoring video and sending us another wig. So if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Obviously I bring all kind of beauty content, definitely bring wigs. We love synthetic wigs over here. So if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, what's up girl? So let's go ahead on and get into this one. This one here is from Studio Cut. Now I did a review on 3 other wigs, or maybe 4 other wigs from this line before. I will definitely try to remember to either have them pop up here or put it in the description box below for those. So this one here, they reached out to me, asked me to review it. It's going to be a throw and go, so we love throw and goes. It's part of the Sexy Wig collection. This one here is going to be SEXY08. I want to get it in a fall color since you know, fall is coming, so I told them to send it over in OT30. The color's really pretty. I'm not sure how the wig is going to be, but let's just go ahead on and jump into that. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So this is the wig on the care card, and as you see, it has like these Farrah Fawcett like curls in the front. There's the name, like I said, SEXY08, color OT30. So let's see if we have some fall hair. It has a bang, it has flips, it has something straight in the back. I don't know how this is gonna fit or look. Hair texture on this one is not textured. This one here is silky. I think the last ones were textured. Let's see in the middle, since it is a full wig, you do not get any scalp or anything in there. Yeah, so let's just go ahead on and put it on. If you guys are interested in this one here, this is going to be from, the wig that I'm wearing is from the Quick Weave collection from Outre, and it is going to be a half wig. It's really pretty. Again, this review should be up as well. That's it directly in the front. Let's pull all the hair up. Get my camera. So this is with all the hair to the front. Let me get a comb, or like with the bang this way and just kind of playing with it. I think, you know, it's cute like that. I'm not sure. Let's pull these out a little bit. I feel like this is just too uniform for me. I think this one here would definitely look better probably with a hat or something, just because it has the flips on the side. Other than that, it's okay. It's just like I said, I don't think it's just my style. But other than that, I think it's really, you know, has potential. This long piece here, if you could get this one straight, that would probably be more something that I would do with it. Know what you think. Cap construction on this fits really well. Like I said, I just feel like this piece up in here, is not the business. To bring it down and make it more, to make it straight, I think would make it look better. Or the next thing would be to maybe curl the back as well, so it doesn't look like you have a couple different styles going on here. Maybe that's what it is as well, because you got this up here and then you have this long piece in the back, so it feels like it's like multiple styles in one. So let me know what you guys think. Obviously it's a throw and go, so you don't have to worry about lace or anything like that. Okay you guys, so the next wig is from Sam's Beauty as well. It is from Outre, and the name of it is Laylyn. I have this wig in this really pretty color. I thought again this would be another one for fall, because you got some berries and you also have like that dark root in there as well. So this one here, the difference is it does have lace on it. The lace is pretty light, as you guys can see. So you will, you know, have to tint it and all that kind of stuff. It's just a part, actually it's a side part, but you know, it does look really good, the part itself. I went in, I just plucked the beginning of it, and then I took it and I took a little bit of hair out, and I just kind of laid it down. Now I like this because of course it makes it look a little bit more natural around the hairline. With this one having curls, I felt like the bounce in it and the cut was really nice, because it's like a bob, but you get a little bit more fullness from it. So once I laid that down, I just went ahead and put some powder in there. Like I said, the lace on this is pretty light. You are going to have to darken it just a little bit if you don't want it to have that ghostly appearance. Then the next thing I did is, because I wasn't going to use the little bit of lace that came on the side, is I went ahead on and slicked that down. A little bit of gel. Now I did go in and trim this bang just a bit to give it some height, number one, and number two, to take some of those long strands. As you can see, I literally trimmed it just a little bit. So this is going to be a 360 of this wig. This wig is really nice. You do get a couple combs in here, 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. All in all, I do think it's cute. I love the colors. You guys let me know which one you like best. Obviously, you guys can tell this one here was hitting a little more. I do like Laylyn more. So see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.